My electric fence here is definitely doing the job. Had no raccoon damage. Corn's doing excellent. See the ears there. Nice ears coming out. Be ready probably in about 4 or 5 days. It's yellow and white sweet corn. You gotta pick this stuff just right. Too young, it won't be sweet. Too old, be too tough. That's just about right for that corn. This came off my other patch. Had a lot of bug damage. See that one side of the cob didn't get fully pollinated. That's why I plant really early to avoid the bugs, but this year it's been so hot they hit the other patch hard, but they haven't got this one here too bad. And I got this planted in like 4 stages, I think it is. First stage here, this will be ready probably, pretty quick. Second stage, just got done pollinating. Here's one here just starting to put out the ears. This corn puts up the ears, put out the silk, then the tassels pollinate the silk there. It's kind of like a dusty pollen gets on there. And when the bugs eat that off, it's a lot of times you won't get good pollination. Try not to spear any. Ground's really warm and dry. The ground is just really dry. I think I just speared one. Oh yeah, got it. Some nice ones down there. Nice potatoes there. Check that one out. Well, these are really good eating, these reds. I usually do russets for mashed potatoes and the reds for eating, bacon, whatever. Nice bunch out of that hill there. More down in here. Yep. Things just keep going. I plant these pretty thick. I don't even, when I plant seed potatoes, I plant them whole, just like that. I throw a couple in each hill, like every 10 inches apart. I never cut my seed potatoes. I know my relatives used to. I don't do it. Grubworm was eating on it there. Quite a few potatoes out of that hill. One hill of potatoes right there, or maybe 2. There's more in there. Oh, I got it out of that hill. A lot of nice potatoes this year for being a really dry year. I want to dig down and see how my carrots did this year. Mr. Toad. See if I can find some carrots here. Carrots are starting to die back. Weeds are overtaking everything. See if I got any carrots there. We need a lot of rain. It's just so dry. Let's see what we got. I've got a few of them. Got a few carrots. Didn't do as good as I hoped, but they're still small, but they'll be fine. Not too bad at carrots. Broke the top off on that one. How you doing, buddy? Huh? What do you think? What do you think, buddy? Get in before it rains? Huh? What do you think? Huh? As I said in the other videos, I get a lot of stray cats. I don't know where they come from, but I get them all fixed because they multiply really fast. Yeah. I'm going to show you a huge pumpkin over here. I'm going to walk over my carrots. The size of this thing. Hidden in the carrots there. It's a big old pumpkin. It's called Large Marge. And hopefully it survives and nothing gets it. Another one down over there. Vines are starting to die back. Had to do a lot of watering. Take it down here and show you some of my summer squash. I don't know a whole lot about this summer squash. I don't really eat it, but grow it for other people. It's like some of it's getting a little too old there. There's a big one in there. Some big. Some of this is probably getting way too big. Nice old summer squash there. These plants put out a lot. July 25th, there's another one turning. Really early. I think the dry weather we have has been affecting a lot of this stuff. Here's a different type of a pumpkin. It's supposed to be, they have like, I don't know, nodules all over it, something like that. See how it does. Been really hot today. Green beans are doing really good. I've been picking beans, and picking beans. They're just loaded in here. Really nice. These are Blue Lake bush beans. Supposed to be stringless. Still you get a few strings in them, but man, they're just loaded in here. I plant them really thick. A lot of really nice beans. This is when I like to pick them. No bug bites. They're really crisp. Snap right away. I try not to let them get too big, but they're just right. But lots and lots of beans. Just load it in there. Getting ready to go into September here. Fall's coming pretty quick. My garden's about done. Still got a lot of stuff in it. I was going to show you, I planted some late sweet corn here, and the bugs ate it all up, ate the silks off the top. I was going to show you what this looks like. Get some nice looking ears. Pretty good ear there. Peel that down. There's what you end up with. One kernel. Got pollinated. The bugs eat off the silks there on the top, so they can't get pollinated. I don't like using sprays. And that's what happens. That's why I plant a lot of my corn early, so you don't have a problem with that. My peppers did really well. These are the California Wonder. Really nice peppers. Kind of camouflaged in there. I always cage my peppers, otherwise they're pretty brittle. The wind will knock them over and break the plants off. Say if they go red, they're supposed to be sweeter. Here's one there. That's a pretty nice one there. They're just loaded down in there. A lot of peppers. A lot of them. I'll have a lot of peppers until it freezes. A really nice one there. This is August 10th. Just had a real bad storm last night. Knocked over a lot of my tomato plants. But boy, they're doing really good. Check these out here. Nice big old celebrity tomatoes about the size of your hand. Just loaded in there. I'm gonna get ready to can these. Lots of tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes. A lot of weeds are starting to take over, but I get to a certain point I just back off on weeding. I said they still produce really good. A lot of good tomatoes here. Gonna have a lot of them out of the small patch. It is really nice. Really nice tomatoes. Another thing, last year my broccoli was I planted too thick, didn't do anything, went to seed. I still didn't get it far enough apart. You can see the heads are real small. I don't really grow a lot of broccoli, but next year I grow it, I'm going to have it really far apart, because that's what happens. You get real small heads. We've had a lot of dry weather this year here. My pumpkin patch did okay. Got a few nice pumpkins in there. Check some of these out. This is, like I said, August 10th, and these are ready already. Ready already, yeah. You got to get these out because the bugs will start eating on them. It's a nice big old pumpkin there. Got a really nice one over here. I'll show it to you. Carrots are getting overtaken by the weeds. Here's probably one of the nicer pumpkins I got out of here. This is the big guy here. You can see it here. That's just a really nice pumpkin. Wish all of them were like that, but some small, some big. Take the good with the bad and be thankful. Guess that's all you can do. Had a lot of dry weather this year. So had a bug go down my back. That's not fun. Oh, really nice pumpkin there. I gotta get these out here. Something's gonna be eating them. Nice sized pumpkin there. Some of them are still green yet. A lot of them down through there. A lot of times I don't do very good with pumpkins here in Illinois, but we actually had a really dry year. I had to water a few times. Put one here. Some really nice shaped pumpkins. Kind of growing upside down, a lot of them. I'm gonna weigh this one here. This is probably one of the bigger ones I got. Oops, smashed one there. See what this weighs out. If you can take a guess what that thing weighs, I'm gonna say probably 30, 40 pound pumpkin there. Really nice pumpkin. Like 43 pounds, somewhere around there. So, just a real nice pumpkin there. See what a couple of these other ones weigh. I'm gonna say that one will be 12 or 13 pounds. Nope, it's 20, like almost 22 pounds. I'm going to show you something wild down here. Bugs are still working on them. I was so excited I grew a different variety. They kind of got bumps all over them. This one looks so good. I was so excited about it. And a neat old pumpkin there. With all the bumps on it and stuff. I forget what they call these. But I flipped it over. There's a mouse living inside of it. Ain't that crazy? Well, they ate that all out. Or if he's still down in there. Let me pull that out and show you. See how they chewed it all up. Really nice. I guess you could use one side of it. Ain't that sad? There's always something attacking your garden. Just crazy there. Here's a really nice one here. Real nice pumpkin there. These are large Marge. They just started chewing on it there. That'll heal itself, hopefully. Here's a real nice one here. You can see the stem on that, it's pretty cool. Big pumpkin there, I don't know, I think it's probably go 30 pounds or better. Yep, there's always something attacking you. You never know. At least we don't have bears here, that's one good thing. I couldn't imagine dealing with them. Won't be long and fall will be here.